Hello boys and girls, it's Nicola and Monkey. Hello boys and girls. Today we are going to talk about, what are we going to talk about, Monkey? The weather. The weather. Yes, we're going to talk about the weather. What's the weather like today outside? Monkey, what's the weather like today? It's sunny. It's sunny outside. Yes, it's nice and sunny. Okay, let's have a look at the weather. It's raining. It's raining. Rain, rain, rain. It's raining. It's raining. Very good. Sunny. It's sunny. It's sunny. It's sunny. It's sunny. It's sunny. Let's look. Oh, oi. It's cloudy. It's cloudy. It's cloudy. Cloudy. Oh, it's windy. It's windy. It's windy. Uh-oh. Windy. It's windy. Very good. So we have it's raining. It's raining. It's raining. Number 2. It's sunny. It's sunny. Number 3. It's cloudy. It's cloudy. It's cloudy. And number 4? Monkey. What's number 4? I can't remember. Monkey, do you know what's number 4? We have raining, sunny, cloudy, and it's windy. It's windy. It's windy. Yeah, it's windy. Oh, it's windy. It's windy. Help! Very good. It's windy. Okay, let's look. So, it's raining. We need umbrella. Let's go. It's raining. It's raining. Umbrella. Oh, it's sunny. It's sunny. Sunglasses. Quick, get your sunglasses. Oh, sunglasses. Monkey, do you like my sunglasses? Oh, yes, I love your sunglasses. And Monkey, it's sunny, he has his hat. My hat. Let's give Monkey sunglasses. Oi, oi, oi. Oh, now, Monkey, I have sunglasses and a hat because it's sunny. It's sunny. Very good. Uh-oh. And it's cold. We need our gloves. Gloves. Chick, chick. Gloves. Gloves. Very good. Okay, let's remember. Monkey, are you ready? Let's remember. We have, what are these? Umbrella? No, umbrella, no. They are sunglasses. Sunglasses. Very good. Sunglasses. Sunglasses. And this? What's this? It's a hat. A hat. And it's raining. Umbrella. Umbrella. Very good, boys and girls. Okay, boys and girls. Well, today I need to go because outside I'm going to play because it's sunny today. Okay, Monkey, let's get ready to go. We're going to put on your hat, the sunglasses, oi, 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 Monkey, the sunglasses, and say bye-bye to the boys and girls. Bye-bye. Uh-oh. Bye-bye, boys and girls. See you soon. Bye-bye. Have fun in the sun. Have fun.